Okay, and we are back showing a few more collectibles we picked up. These are all from Half Price Books. Now, this skull ship was $10 at Half Price Books, but you remember a while back I showed you all this guy, $4.99. Mr. Terrific's high-tech vehicle and the figure, $5. So sometimes you can find those deals. There's a few things on my back shelf that I think I've shown before. I don't know what game they're playing. But we're just gonna film this over here. I'm sure you can hear them. Let's open up. I want to open up this guy from Diablo IV. Okay, this one here was $11.99 at Half Price Books. So I thought, you know what? Let's get that. He's a little scary looking man. Kneecaps made of skulls. Got some weapons here. From Blizzard Entertainment, so they make the game, and I guess it's a common figure, so it's not gonna hurt us opening this. I love these McFarlane toys, are always well detailed, and the prices aren't bad on them. You get some art on the back of the box. There's another warrior. I'm sure he's fighting monsters from the game. But I've played Diablo. I don't know which Diablo I played, but I don't think it was 4 yet. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and open this up. There he is. Sealed up a little bit. Now, Half Price Books is a spot you can find some good stuff, you know. I picked up some real good deals there. I did some old videos on that, but it seems like somebody there must have saw my video because I went to go buy another statue. It went from like $50 when I went to look at it to almost $200. Either that or somebody, the manager showed up, because when I went, there was somebody else was doing the pricing. I should have bought it, but I'd already bought Thor's hammer over there, and I got a good deal on that. So I thought, well, I don't need to buy everything, because, you know, I mean, there's other collectors, you know. I don't want to be a hog, but I will go back, you know. And if nobody's picked it up after a couple days, then I'm going to go get it. Now, some people aren't as nice as me. I think that's nice that I do that. I don't know. But I'm not a reseller. I keep all my stuff. Okay? So I'm not really out there going crazy as soon as something new drops. Trying to get it, resell it. Let's see here. I don't know what they're playing. What game is that, babe? Whatever's on Netflix. Okay. Answers my question. All right. So we opened it. Oh, it comes on a stand. Oh, look. Oh. Neat. Comes with like a little background you can put them in. Let's see here. Oh, that's my little baby. I made that one. Little zombie back there somewhere. Here. Anyway, what's in this little pamphlet here? Doesn't seem to have much on it, but let's see. Sometimes I have a list of other statues they make. Oh, these are stickers. Look, so I got this. That looks neat. This. Ooh. And this. Okay, so we came with some stickers. I don't know what those mean. I think those are part of the factions or something. The flags you can put in the game. It comes with some other things. Okay, a head popped out. There's a little head. It looks really good. Wow, look at all the little details. These McFarlane toys, man, I'll tell you what, you get your money's worth and then some. I have a lot of McFarlane. You can get a lot of Spawn stuff, you know. Those are good prices. Right. Got a little axe for chopping wood, I guess. Because you know how all warriors are chopping wood. Got a little handle on there. We'll get a better look at all this in a moment. So we got a head that fell out. Oh, this is a wooden axe. Maybe it's a throwing axe. Look at the details. It's rough. Got some texture. Spin through some things. And with another axe. Boy, this guy loves some axes. See that one. So he's got a ton of weapons. This one's kind of bendy, so maybe it goes in his hands or something. I'm gonna force it. Okay, now that's this little package on the bottom. On the side, it said mystery weapons. So maybe we're gonna get one of them. Oh, just tears open. See what we get. Ooh, neat. Look at that. That's really cool. That's really neat. Is that like, I don't know what bone that is, but it's a bone. That's really cool. Alrighty. So just give me a minute. I'm gonna have to untwist tie this thing up, okay? In just a second. Okay, so here he is. Out of the package. It looks like he's posing. He's showing off his muscles. But really, look at him. He's kind of charging in. And he's about to get somebody. Now it has some spots here on the back. It looks like I can put some weapons in. But you see all the detail on these guys, man? I love them. I mean, it's a $12 figure. Come on, man. Regular 30, but still, even at 30, I think it's an excellent deal. Ooh, look at that. Oh, scary man. What is that on the bag? Oh, that's a face. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Got like a glove, like somebody else's hand. Wait a minute, he's got a few of them. Okay. So, axe there. All right, so let me put this guy together. Oh, it looks like he might be reaching for weapons. Okay, so maybe I should put... Okay, maybe that's why this was bendy, right? Because it might be... You can bend it in here. Oh, yeah. Look, okay. Maybe. All right. Let's see. Maybe. Let me mess with it a little bit here and let's see what's up. Okay. So I'm kind of settled on this. Maybe he's holding a head, right? And he's grabbing an axe. Maybe that's what's happening. Because it's kind of hard to get the other weapons in there. Let's see. I'm going to put him in his little area here. Ooh. Okay, so then he's got his little top secret weapon, mystery weapon that came. I guess he could choose that if he wants. Throw that in there. I had to kind of do this with my Deadpool figure. It had so much stuff. That one was a different one. My Deadpool one was a sideshow piece, but it was all fabric and everything. So you had to really put things where they go. Put this axe in here. Too. Guess I could put hammer time there. Maybe you could be holding the hammer. I don't know. Maybe I'll mess with it some more. But anyway, this is what we got. Let's take a better look. Okay, so this is what we got. Look at that. A leather face. Put all his extra weapons down there. He's got all kinds of stuff. And he just chopped somebody's head off. He's holding it. He's got his axe, and he's about to chop somebody else's head off. He's like, hey, give me a second. I got to put this head down. But they're coming. So he's got to rush into action, handle business, and get more trophies. So that's a really good deal right there. So half-price books, man. I'm surprised. $11.99. Almost got another figure. But I saw this. I thought it was really cool. And the price was lower on this one. So let me know what you think, guys. What you think about these collectibles. If you like McFarlane products. If you collect, you know, what do you collect? Just let me know in the comments. Maybe we could talk about it. Get together and do a video. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Make up extra channels and subscribe with those too. Bye, guys.